In this video, we are discussing linked list in Java.
In this program, we shall deal with linked list class objects. So here you can find that we are creating one linked list. The object name is int list, which is containing integer wrapper class type of objects. So how to add new members to this int list? The method is add, and here you are passing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 as input arguments. So after adding all these members, we are going to print the size of this int list and also the current content of this int list. The size is a method with the help of which we can get the number of members this linked list is having. So let us go for the execution. You can find that it is printing the size as 5 because here we are having 5 elements, or that these elements are nothing but integer wrapper class objects, and we are having the values say 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 in the order in which they added up with this linked list class object int list. Now here we are defining one array. This is a simple array, int array, and name of the array is array, having got elements that is 5, 15, 30, 80, 60 and 25. So now we are going to define another array list. So here the array list object is arr list is equal to new array list, and then with this array list we are adding these items. We are adding item, picking up item one at a time from the integer array. And here we are using this for each loop where item will get initialized with one of the members one at a time depending upon the iteration from the integer array. So now we are going to print this array list. So the array list size is getting printed. The method is same, that is the size, and here we are printing the current content of the array list. So here you can find that here we are printing this array list and there we are printing that linked list here. So let us make this one, it is better, let us go for this array list. So this array list size and the respective contents are getting printed. Now let me go for the execution to show you that the linked list size is 5, the content is this, the array list size is 6 and the content is this one as we expecting. Okay, so as we are expecting, we are getting this output. Now see, in this int list we are adding all the members. So the method name is add all. We are adding all the members from the index number 2. From the index number 2 onwards, that is the array list content will get inserted from the index number 2. All the members of this array list. How many members this array list is having? This array list is having 6 members, 5, 15, 30, 80, 60 and 25. So all these members will get inserted starting from the index number 2. And later we are going to print this int list size and the current content of the int list. We know that int list is nothing but linked list class object, and which is defined to hold the integer wrapper class objects as its content. So now let me go for the execution. You can find that the linked list size is 11. Why 11? Because 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. And from the second index onwards, you can easily find that from the second index onwards, I'm just going for this, so location number 5 onwards rather. So we are going to have this set of elements, we're going to have this set of elements, that is 5, 15, 30, 80, 60 and 25. They are nothing but the array list content, and they have got inserted starting from the index 2, and from the 0th place and the 1 place we are having this index number 0 and 1 is still holding 10 and 20, and from this particular index we are having this 30, 40 and 50 as usual. So in this way, in this demonstration, we have shown you that how to define linked list objects and how to call different methods from this object itself.